Megan,
Yeah.
it's really hot.
I know. Why can't it be colder? It's so hot here.
Do you know of any rain dances or anything?
I don't know. Do you?
Let me go to Google. I don't have Google right now.
It's really hot.
That's the rain dance? Okay. We're going to do a rain dance and hopefully it'll
work.
rain.
And it'll rain.
It's hot.
'Cause it's really hot here.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's
Yeah.
Rain! 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 Now make it rain! Now make it rain! Now make it rain!
Rain!
Oh my gosh, is it working yet?
I don't know.
Rain!
Oh wait, is that a black cloud over there?
I think it is!
Woo! So apparently it worked and it's storming.
Yeah, it's freezing. Like we had to make ourselves hot chocolate.
Too cold for this, Megan. This was your idea to make it rain.
No, it was your idea. It was hot outside.
We couldn't have just gone swimming.
Yeah.
Like you saw, our pool, my pool is very rainy.
So me and Jessica are probably gonna get this fireplace started because we're shivering, and so we'll see you guys another time.
Normal
We'll be-
summer weather.
Yeah.
Next time.
All right. Bye.